sao mày xấu xấu Benadura. Okay. Một. Hả? Xin lỗi. Do that. I'm missing a wheel?
Yes. Jacob. What's going on, guys? It's Dr. Hobbs, and today I know you guys love the series about culture and food, and when we swapping snacks and food, and when I speak Arabic. And have you ever spoke Vietnamese on my channel?
No, I'm not on your channel, my channel.
So what we're doing today,
We're gonna be swapping condoms.
so for today's video, as you can see, we have a Lego set. Alright, it's been so long that I've built a Lego set. Do you build Lego sets, or has it been?
As a kid, yeah, but it's been a while too. Probably over 10 years.
Over 10 years. So what's gonna happen today, the intro and the outro of this video only are gonna be in English. The rest of the video, we're gonna try to build this in our own different languages. I'm gonna be speaking Arabic the whole time. He's gonna be speaking, what are you gonna be speaking?
Vietnamese.
Johnny! He's gonna be speaking Vietnamese for the whole entire time trying to build this Lego set.
I should be here though. The person that should be here is Jacob.
Facts, but Jacob speaks English.
No, he doesn't. You?
What does he speak?
Spanish.
Right, maybe next video.
Oh, man.
Okay, no. Alright, so if you guys like this idea about us trying to build this Lego set in complete different languages,
yeah, click the subscribe button, man. Turn that red button into a gray button.
I was gonna say smash the like button. Because if we get 5,000 likes, we're gonna do the biggest Lego set we can find at Toys R Us.
That's what you shoot for your videos? 5,000 likes?
Yeah.
That's a lot, bro. Who do you think you are? I can't even get 5,000 likes.
Yeah, so go smash the like button. Let's get 5,000 likes, and I'm buying the biggest Lego set we're gonna build in different languages. And before we start the video, subscribe to my channel, because you know when you subscribe, you're gonna feel.
Trying to get this video to as many likes as my 100 layers of Reese's peanut butter. Let's show a picture of that.
Alright.
Is that a lot of likes? Alright, let's try to get that.
Subscribe to my channel and let's get going with the video.
So before we start the Lego, we have to make sure that it doesn't look anything like this. Otherwise, that wouldn't be fun. So let's just.
Okay,
but just in case the fire truck. Do they?
Okay, look.
Do they?
Bác sĩ đó.
Sao mày xấu xấu? Đây nè. Xấu xấu. Ôi.
طيب هعمل هيدا، اوكي؟ رح حط هاي هون، بنطلع بهيدا بدنا نعملها هون.
And I have a headache.
صدقني. خلينا نفتح هون نشوف هيدي.
Okay.
اوكي بنبلش بهاي.
No.
شو؟
I'm gonna làm cái xe. You làm cái này.
اها. انت رح تعمل التراك، انا رح اعمل الاكل هون.
Yeah.
طيب اوكي.
Not my team, man.
اوكي. طيب روق خلينا نفتح هيدا سوا. هيك طلع هون.
يا
هيدا بتجيب هيدا.
شي.
روق هيدا لشو؟
يا شو كيف؟
هيدا للاطفائية. هيدا تبع الاطفائية، هيدا تبع هيدا إلك.
اوكي.
انت
Benadura. Okay.
Benadura. اوكي.
You tube. Me Benadura, you tube.
اوكي. بدك تلحق الستابس هون.
Số 1.
What the
Trời ơi. Xin lỗi.
ما بيفهم، بقول له ما بيفهم.
Sorry.
اوكي يلا بلش. انت عمول هيدول، وينهم هيدول؟ عمول هيدا، عمر هيدا انت عمر هاي.
Muốn gì?
مغلي؟
Muốn cái gì?
اوكي بلش افتح هون طلع ها. هيدا الزلمه بلش فيه، شفت؟
No.
Why am I so confused, bro?
Yo, it's the dude. Số 1 đây. Số 2 đây. Okay.
Okay. هيدا عم ثلاثة. هيدا
so bad.
Okay.
No.
اوكي هدول لك، هول لك.
Okay.
طيب يلا بلش.
سي حبيبي. Ok, everyone coi giờ ngủ ngon, ok. Anh yêu em nhiều lắm.
اوكي ما عم بفهم شيء بس ليك طلع شوي. اوكي اوكي هذا تحطه هون.
حتى هون.
شيل هدول خلينا انا وياك نعمل هيدا سوا. اوكي شفت هيدا موتو سايكل. اوكي يلا بلش. بتبلش هيك هلا هون جيب هيدا الكيس.
اوكي. Cái này phải không?
Đây hết được shot phải không?
Đâu? Không thấy.
روق يا حي هون نو طلع مظبوط ايه؟
حلو مày làm hay.
هلا جيب هيدا
يلا. đây nè.
لا هيدا برجر هيدا اكل.
لا
اكل. شفت بعملنا وين تاني دولاب يا حبيبي هيدا واحد. تاني دولاب وين؟ لا تاني دولاب تاني وين؟ ديف وين تاني دولاب؟
Đấy, lấy cái thằng này để đây.
دولاب
دولاب.
وين التاني واحد؟ تاني دولاب.
We're missing a wheel?
Yes. Virgin?
Call me a virgin?
فيرجين كيف حطها بالنص. هلا لو ورا هيك كيف هلا هيدي؟
Bây giờ mình phải lấy hai thằng này để trên đây, and then mày phải lấy đồ.
من فوق اوكي حطه من فوق.
mày dơ.
ايه حطه فوق.
Cái đánh răng chưa?
شو؟
đánh răng bên này chưa?
ما بعرف روح حط هون فوق بليز خلصنا. ايه اوكي ها شفت عم تمشي. هلا جيب هذا الاصفر وين الاصفر؟ يا هيدا حطها. لا هاي هي هي ذاتها هيدا. اوكي
بوش.
يا هون افتحها لا افتحها خليني انا افتح هون. ايه برافو ليه هيدا. كيف فتش على هيدا بليز. لاقي هيدا هول لاقي هول.
Cái cái này.
اوكي روق لك يعني. شو ليش حطيت هيدا؟ لازم هيدا ترجع كلها لورا وحده. وهيدا ترجع لورا وحده وبنحط هيدا هون. فهمت كيف؟ ليك طلع هلا هيدا هون خلصت. هلا جيب هيدا الشق الصفرة هون خذها. هيدا تجي هون ليك. شو بك؟ ما بعرف شو بك. اوكي هلا هيدا خلصت. اتركها حتى هون على جنب. حطه هون على جنب اتركه. هلا بدنا نعمل هيدا. اوكي؟ ركز معي؟ بركز معي. جيب هيدا وينه؟ يا حي شفتها هيدا؟ حطها برافو عليك. فوتها بقلب هيدا البخش.
Thì bây giờ mình lấy cái này.
Tiền.
Để cái này vô cái lỗ. Để cái này vô đít.
اوكي هلا خلينا نعملها. خلصتها من اول كتاب شفت؟
Mình xong rồi.
برافو عليك. هلا ثاني كتاب.
Ok mày làm tao ngủ.
لا لا ما في تنام. قوم خلينا نخلص يلا نخلص. رح نخلص يلا.
Làm được không? Cứ ngủ 5 phút. 5 phút. 5 phút.
5 phút. Ok 5 phút. لا اسود اسود هذا ابيض اسود. اسود.
Yeah.
هيدا أول واحد، هيدا تاني وحدة.
Ooh.
خلص؟
Yeah, một cái nữa mà xong. Trời ơi trời.
أي. أوه.
Oh. Wow.
خلصنا خلاص خلاص.
Xong rồi.
إيه.
Woo.
Let's go, baby. Was it okay? Now back to English.
Oh, that
was it a struggle?
That was unbearable.
Bro, I couldn't. Like it was very hard to cooperate with you.
I don't think I could do that again.
No, we have to. If they smash the like button, we'd have to do it again.
I got a headache, bro.
I got a headache too. And look at the back. Like look at this truck.
The back's
It's mushed up. It's the final truck that we could do. But it actually looks good because the back was speaking in Vietnamese and Arabic wasn't like perfect for this. Look at this. That's the back of our truck. It's marched up. With the help of Bongo behind the camera, look at this. Look how nice that is. So how it's supposed to be, the frame goes up like that, and Dave, you're gonna shoot it, okay? Oh shit. Hold on.
It's on fire.
Hold on, let me get the fire back up. It's on fire. Yeah, Jacob. Oh! More? You're the worst firefighter ever.
I got you, don't worry.
Nice.
There's no more water. Alright,
turn the fire
now
on.
we're calling in reinforcements.
Hold on. The fire's back up. Get reinforcements. Guys, that's the video for today. It was actually it was a struggle. Like, it was fun, no? I had fun.
Yeah, it's an experience that I never want to experience again.
If they smash the like button, we're gonna experience it again. But guys, for now, as you can see, that's our burger shop on fire, and that's our fire truck that we struggled doing. For now, we're out.
We're out. Have an amazing week.
We're out.
It's been the minute challenge in the video, and we will see you guys later
In the next video. And peace.